Okay, this is the whole setup for the Lighthouse light and foghorn. The bottom right hand side is the voice recorder module, and the sort of middle left is the Westimation Mix and FX Lightmate module, light effects module. It's connected to an 8mm warm white LED, and every 4 cycles of the LED for every 4 cycles of the lighthouse lamp, then the foghorn will sound. Now the loudspeaker is mounted about 600mm away from the unit, just sitting up on the shelf, so it's a modified, I should say, a computer speaker bought for a few bucks at the local shopping centre this morning, and the amplifier removed and just using the speaker directly from the voice recorder module.